Hey everyone, welcome to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a really delicious and spicy fish dry dish, and it is spicy fish fingers. It's super easy to make and also so delicious. It will just melt in your mouth, and it's a perfect side dish for biryani or any non-veg recipe, or also it is an amazing non-veg snack. Now let's see how to make it. So I have cleaned the fish with turmeric and salt, so that's why it's a bit yellow. And the fish I'm using here is kingfish. First thing is marination. I'm gonna add chili powder, pepper powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, and then finally ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to mix everything together. Now I actually forgot to add lemon juice, but make sure that you add it before mixing because you don't have to double mix it again. So I'll mix this and I'm going to marinate this for about 1 hour. And so in breadcrumbs I'm going to add chili powder and some salt. I just don't want the breadcrumbs to reduce the spice of the fish, so I'm going to add and mix together. So I'm going to take a fish finger, I'm dipping it in egg and then rolling it. Make sure it has absorbed all the moisture. And I'm going to keep this aside. So I've done a few, now I'm going to deep fry this. Yes guys, spicy finger fish is ready. So delicious. Wow, look at that. Oh, it is melting. Spicy. So good. Love it. This will be amazing with mayo. So guys, I'm gonna have this for Sunday lunch. I will see you guys. Definitely try out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.